Agicokia ciuria kuma kuri kanjo ya magavana iria ikoretwo na giikaro gia thiku 2 mwena wa Naivasha irahutania na gucerithirio gwa kigina gia thirikari ici, Minister wa kigina John Mbadi ambiriirie na kuga ati ni akumurika mutaratara muraihu uragerwo ni county kuhitukirio mbeca ici.
Once we transfer the money to the counties, let that money reach the counties. There should be no bottlenecks. There is no reason why the governors, your officers are always in Nairobi to clear with the controller of our budget office. That is rent seeking. That should stop. We should have a system that clearly transfers monies to counties. We don't need the county governors, your CEC members coming here all the time. What are they doing? Which they can't use a phone call or email to sort out.
Ndereti ya kuongerera kigina kiria kigayagirwo county kuma bilioni 380 nginyagia bilioni 400, Mbadi augite thirikari nene ndingihota kuongerera kwa ihinda riri thutha wa watho wa kigina kugwa kuria thirikari iratanyite kuongerera ndosho cia magoti. Ndereti ino egitumura mawoni ngurani kuma kuri kanjo ino.
We must now look at each other in the eye and we tell each other the truth. Let us sit down and ask ourselves which are these functions that are still held at the national government level. We should go to the county and how much do they cost, so that we stop this circus of always fighting over how much should go to the county and how much should go to the national.
Having a discussion around 380 is very unfortunate because that is difficult. And we now have new programs that are generally national government driven programs that we have accepted to partner as counties, and that brings in additional cost and additional responsibilities.
That is a question you should be able to enlighten us. We'll be very happy to know, because that has been the biggest elephant in the room even as we roll out this. Counties, we are in a blackout as far as this is concerned. Thank you very much. The rest of the issues, I'm sure they will give them.
Magavana aya makoretwo giikaro-ini kia magavana kiria maharagiria maita mana o mwaka kuria ndereti ya mutaratara mweru wa SHA itari iratigithirio. Magavana aya makiurio na angikorwo marona ta mutaratara uyu urahanyukirio, thirikari ibatiĩ irekererie mbeca cia kuukinyaniria motungata ma urigiti matikahingike matura-ini. Ngiribotera Inooro TV, njĩtagwo Anĩ Ngigĩ Wanyamũ.